Pittsburgh and the Monongahela Valley were built on steel. For generations, steel has been more than just an industry. It's been the backbone of our economy, the engine of growth, and a source of pride for thousands of families.
Steelmaking has been in Pennsylvania for over 100 years. With the investments that are announced, especially at U.S. Steel, steelmaking is going to continue to be in Pennsylvania for another 100 years. A person coming in off the street in an entry-level position can easily make $70,000 a year. Folks that have been around and moved up into different positions and are maintenance employees, on average, salaries around $100,000 a year.
In southwestern Pennsylvania, we represent thousands of steel workers in the steel industry. Steel is important for a lot of reasons. For the state of Pennsylvania, it brings in billions of dollars of economic activity. It employs thousands of people. These just aren't jobs, they're careers. You know, we have a lot of folks with high school education. Some folks go to college and then decide they want to get into the steel industry.
Working here at U.S. Steel has provided me the ability to support my family and children, allows me to engage with the community, help support the local community.
Today, the steel industry remains a vital force in the region's economic engine. With modern innovation and a renewed focus on American manufacturing, steel plants in the Mon Valley are fueling the rise of new industries and revitalizing the workforce.
We are very excited about the Nippon merger. This is a great opportunity for U.S. Steel. It's a really great opportunity for the Mon Valley Works and everybody in Pennsylvania. And really, that's a defining moment for the Mon Valley. That guarantees that the Mon Valley is going to be world-class competitive for at least the next 30 years.
These sorts of investments are made with an eye towards the future, not just for the next few years, but for the next few decades. It brings job security, not just for those who work in the steel mills, but also the building trades. To move these sorts of investments forward, it takes hundreds, if not thousands of workers and tens of thousands of man hours.
It's a great career. So we want to share that with the youth today. And if you can come out of high school and make 75 to start out and move up to 100,000 in a year or two, those are the self-sustaining jobs that we're talking about. You can raise a family, you can buy a home, you can have a vehicle, you can do all of these things that everybody wants to do. You can realize that dream for sure.
Young workers in the Mon Valley can prepare for high-demand positions in a growing and evolving industry.
We have a strong need every day for new employees, whether it's coming in our entry-level positions or utility person positions, where large number of different roles throughout the plant, the people that we utilize day in, day out to do repair and maintenance and preventive maintenance on our equipment. Throughout this, we provide a lot of the training, each of those roles as people advance throughout the plant into different positions. And we have on-site training programs that we provide the tools, the resources, and the knowledge needed to succeed in those positions.
Some of the training opportunities, for instance, an entry-level employee would have the opportunity to advance, and the training would be provided free of charge, and you're paid while you take these courses to further promote your career.
The Southwest Corner is very pleased to work with the Pennsylvania Steel Alliance because everything that we do is built and geared towards employment. We can help them just get a job if they want to go straight to a job, but we can help them do a resume, we can help them do interviewing, we do a lot of job shadowing, we do work experiences for our youth in the summer so they can kind of get exposed to an industry that they think they might be interested in.
The steel industry built this region, and it's building a future full of opportunity for our economy, for our families, for Western Pennsylvania.
People take a lot of pride in being a steel worker, especially here in Western Pennsylvania. They see firsthand that they can indeed support a family, raise a family, and have a future with a secure retirement. And they're proud of that. And they're also proud of the work they do and what they're providing and what they're putting into the local economy, into their communities. It's important work.
The steel industry is important because it's involved in our everyday life. When I discuss my career with family and friends, I have a sense of pride. I am involved in something that is important and bigger than myself.
A lot of investment being made here in southwestern Pennsylvania and Pennsylvania as a whole. We're very excited to be a part of it. This investment in the Mon Valley is going to be monumental, and we can't wait to be a part of it.
From my experiences, I've worked in the steel industry for over 28 years. It's a great opportunity to provide for your family, be a supporting member of the communities, earn a good living, and has great future career growth.
It's an exciting time for the Pennsylvania steel industry, and the future is bright. A wide range of good-paying, rewarding career opportunities are available for those interested in being a part of this important and proud industry. If you are interested, the Pennsylvania Steel Alliance can help provide you with additional information on careers in steel.